Java Web and beyond. Java that can be used to develop web applications and Java applets, Java web applications, and Java that can also be used to develop applications for handheld devices such as palm and cell phones. This is the PDA and cell phone. The first diagram that represents the PDA and second diagram that represents the cell phone. And Java history, James Gosling and Sun Microsystem. And the name of the developer is OOP work, and it has been developed since May 20, the year of 1995 by the Sun Microsystem, and this is a hard Java. It is the first Java enabled web browser, and the yearly history website is the java.sun.com, features 1998-05 birthday.html. This is the best website. If we search over here, we can able to know the yearly history of a Java. And these are some of the characteristics of Java programming. Java is simple, Java is object oriented, Java is distributed, Java is interpreted, Java is robust, and then Java is secure, Java is architectural neutral, Java is portable, Java is performance, Java is multi-threaded, and Java is dynamic. Jdk is a Java development kit. It is a package of software distributed by Sun Microsystems for Java developers that implements the basic set of tools needed to write, test, and debug Java applications and applets. Jdk versions. These are the Jdk versions 1.02 at the year of 1995. Jdk 1.1 at the year of 1996, Jdk 1.2 at the year of 1998, 1.3 at the year of 2000, 1.4 at the year of 2002, 1.5 at the year of 2004, Jdk 5 or Java 5, and Jdk 1.6 at the year of 2006, Jdk 1.7 possibly by 2010. Jdk editions. Java Standard Edition J2SE. J2SE that can be used to develop client-side standalone applications or applets. Java Enterprise Edition J2EE that can be used to develop server-side applications such as Java servlets and Java server pages. And J2MU is the Java Micro Edition that can be used to develop applications for mobile devices such as cell phones. And popular Java IDEs are NetBeans, open source by Sun, and Eclipse, this is open source by IBM. Get started with Java programming. It is a simple Java application combining programs executing applications. So this is the simple application. And example 1.1, this application program prints welcome to Java. Here we are using the package space chapter 1 public class welcome, public static void main. We are passing string arguments over here. So now the system.println, it prints the message welcome to Java. Here note, to run the program, install slide fleets on hard disk. Creating and compiling programs on command line, we have to give javac dot space file dot java. So this is the diagram that represents we have to create or modify a particular source code, and next source code, and it is passed on to the compiler source code, that is javac welcome.java. If any error occurs, means it is passed to the creating and modify a code, or otherwise it is converted into the bytecode, and next the bytecode is run. It prints the message welcome Java. Finally the results, if runtime error or incorrect error again occurred, means again it is passed on to the source code of a particular program. And next one is the executing applications on command line, Java space class name. The class name what we are giving is the name we have to given over here, bytecode. So Java interpreter on Windows, Java interpreter on Linux, and Java interpreter on Sun Solarizes. So example, Java file name welcome.java, Java welcome, output welcome to Java. So compiling and running a program, so where are the files stored in the directory? For example, if we are taking C:, example, in chapter 1, welcome.java, welcome.class, welcome.java. In chapter 2, Java source files and class files for chapter 2. And up to chapter 19, Java source files and class files for chapter 19. So next one is the package. The second line in the program, package space chapter 1, which specifies the package name, chapter 1, for the class welcome. So 4 compiles the source code in welcome.java, which generates welcome.class and stores welcome.class in the chapter 1 folder. And a simple Java program, listing 1.1. This is a program that prints welcome to Java. So we are using public class welcome, public static void main. We are passing over string arguments here. System.out.println welcome to first Java program. Creating and editing using Notepad. To use Notepad, type Notepad welcome.java for the DOS prompt over here. Creating and editing using WordPad. To use WordPad, type write welcome.java from the DOS prompt. Trace the program execution. So this is the program that prints the welcome to Java, public class welcome, public static void main, string arguments we are passing over here. So we can use this main method over here. So system.out.println, which prints the welcome to Java. This is the execution statement. System.out.println is the execution statement, and for the output command prompt we can get a print message on a print console. Okay, output console, print a message to the output console, welcome to Java. Anatomy of a Java programs are commands, reserved words, modifiers, statements, blocks, classes, methods, the main method. These are all the anatomy of a Java program. Commands. 3 types of commands in Java: line command, paragraph command, Java document command. Line command. A line command is preceded by 2 slashes in a line. In a paragraph command is enclosed between these 2 symbols. There is a one or multiple lines over here. And the third one is Java document command. Java document commands begins with slash, double star, and end with star 1 slash. They are used for documenting classes, data, and methods. They can be extracted into HTML file using JDK's Java document command.